Hello classmates, my name is Tina Gote Santiago. I look forward to working throughout the class, getting to know each of you. I'm here today completing my intro, my personal bio. So I'm currently an elementary school English teacher. I've been working in the city of Cape Coral as well as Fort Lauderdale, and I have also had 1 year of working as an English teacher in Puerto Rico. So, which inspired my long-term goal, which is to work for the Department of Defense Education Unit, where I can obtain an administrative position or role in helping to develop and maintain the critical infrastructure of education systems in the United States, and supporting the education of the generations to come. So I'm working towards the completion of my bachelor's degree in public safety administration and management. I am in my final, I want to say semester. I do have to take one more class in the fall, and then I will be complete. So I do look forward to learning from each of you, and congratulations to each of you as well and your long-term goals. Thank you.